everyone. Welcome back to Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation.
Hey, hi, good morning.
Oh, hi, good morning.
I'm Mia, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Mia. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Jake.
This feels funny.
Yeah, a little awkward already.
Yeah, two strangers talking.
Exactly.
So, how is your morning going?
It's good. Slow, but good. I had coffee.
Coffee helps everything.
Always. How about you?
Same. Coffee, no breakfast yet.
Oh no, that's dangerous.
I know. I will regret it later.
Well, this is perfect, actually.
Why?
Because today we're talking about small talk with a stranger.
Oh, wow. So this is the lesson and the example.
Exactly. Real and awkward.
That's very honest. I like it. Getting into the topic. Okay, so small talk.
Yes, small talk.
Many people hate it.
I am one of those people.
Same, but we still do it.
Because silence can feel worse.
Yes, silence with a stranger is scary.
So, small talk is like a bridge.
A bridge?
Yeah, a bridge between strangers.
I like that. A small bridge.
Sometimes a weak bridge.
Yes, sometimes it breaks. What is small talk? Let's explain it simply.
Okay.
Small talk is short, easy conversation.
It's not deep.
Not serious.
Just light.
Like talking about the weather.
Or traffic.
Or coffee.
Or how are you?
Right.
But the funny thing is,
What?
people ask, how are you?
Yeah,
And they don't really want a long answer.
true.
If you say, I'm sad, life is hard.
They panic.
Exactly.
A real awkward moment. Do you remember a very awkward small talk moment?
Oh, yes, many.
Tell me one.
Okay. I was in an elevator.
Oh no, elevators are the worst.
Yes, very quiet, just standing.
I feel it already.
So I said, nice weather today.
Classic.
And the other guy said,
What?
he said, I don't like weather.
What?
I know, I froze.
What did you say after that?
Nothing. Silence.
Oh no!
10 floors of silence.
That is painful. Why small talk feels hard for many reasons. Small talk feels hard for many reasons.
Yes.
One reason is fear,
Fear of saying something wrong.
or sounding stupid,
Or boring.
or awkward.
Which often happens anyway.
Another reason is language,
True. For language learners, it's harder.
because it's fast.
And very casual.
People use short answers
Slang.
and jokes, simple small talk starters. Let's give some easy examples.
Yes, simple is best.
First one, hi, how's your day going?
Very safe.
Yes,
Another one. Busy day today?
that's a good one. Or, this place is crowded today.
Nice observation. You can also say, I like your shoes.
Compliments are powerful.
But be honest.
Yes, don't lie. When small talk goes nowhere, sometimes small talk dies quickly.
Yes, very quickly.
You say something, they answer with one word.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
sure.
And then, silence.
Awkward silence.
What do we do then?
We can try one more question.
Or we can stop.
Stopping is okay.
That's important.
Not every small talk must continue.
Yes,
Some people don't want to talk.
and that's fine. Reading the other person. Small talk is also about listening.
And watching.
Body language matters.
If they smile,
They might want to talk.
if they look away,
Maybe not.
short answers can mean many things.
They might be shy
Or tired.
or busy.
Or just not in the mood.
Turning small talk into real talk. Sometimes small talk becomes real talk.
That's the best part.
It doesn't happen every time.
But when it does, it's nice.
For example, you start with weather.
It's so hot today.
And then
Yeah, I miss winter.
you ask why.
And boom, conversation.
Suddenly, you're talking about memories
or hobbies,
or travel.
all from one small sentence.
A positive small talk story. I have a good story too.
Oh, tell me.
I was waiting for a bus.
Okay.
I said, "This bus is always late."
Very true in many cities.
The woman next to me laughed.
That's a good sign.
We talked the whole ride.
About what?
Movies.
Nice.
We never met again, but it was a good moment. Small talk is a skill. Small talk is a skill.
Yes, it can be learned.
You don't need perfect English.
Simple words are enough.
Confidence helps.
Practice helps more.
Even native speakers feel awkward.
Very true.
So learners should not feel bad.
Everyone struggles.
Tips for English learners. Let's give some tips.
Okay.
Tip 1. Keep it simple.
Short sentences are fine.
Tip 2. Smile.
It makes people relaxed.
Tip 3. Don't panic if it's quiet.
Silence is normal.
Tip 4. Practice in real life.
Even short talks count.
A little humor helps. Humor can help small talk.
Yes, light humor.
Nothing risky,
No strong jokes.
just gentle comments, like, "Mondays are hard."
Everyone understands that.
Yes, ending the conversation politely. Ending small talk is important too.
Very important.
You can say, "Nice talking to you,"
Simple and polite.
or "I should get going."
Very natural.
You don't need a big excuse.
Just be kind.
Final reflection. So, small talk.
Awkward but real.
Sometimes uncomfortable.
Sometimes nice.
Sometimes forgettable.
Sometimes meaningful.
The key is, don't be too hard on yourself.
Yes.
Even one sentence is enough.
Even a smile is enough.
Small talk is just human connection.
Small, simple, human.
Well, Jake,
Yes,
this small talk was actually pretty good.
I agree. Not too awkward.
Progress.
Big progress.
Thanks for talking with me.
Thank you too.
And to everyone listening,
Don't be afraid of small talk.
try it today,
Even if it's awkward.
especially if it's awkward.